Hey, good evening, good morning, whatever the time is. Now I will explain in this video the difference between V3 and the V4. In V3, every widget, every property button is different, but in V4 you can uh, actually make a bunch of buttons or maybe a bunch of headings and apply a class. This class will hold all the properties like the color, the font sizing and everything, and that will apply to all the buttons maybe. And in the V4 we have two type of classes, local class and global class. You can compare the classes in the global color, global font and everything. So there's for example, those are classes you may consider. Local classes only apply to the specific widget. Global classes, if you change anything in the global classes, it will apply to all the headings or all the buttons all over the website. And there are more variables like spacing, font variables in V4 that's missing in V3. And another thing is V4 widgets are much more optimized than V3 in terms of performance. Here is a title widget. You can see that is already by default every widget get a local class. So if you change anything, it's not changing or affecting any other heading widget. But if I set it like text centered, this is a global class. For making this text centered, I don't need to go anywhere, find the option that where it is and select the specific option to make it centered. Just I created a class once and I am using the same class everywhere all over the website wherever I need to make the text centered. Then the second magic, this is the magic actually. I really love it. If you change anything, after selecting text centered, if I change anything, the color, the font or the typography, it will apply all over the website and it will change, it will affect everywhere wherever I use the text centered class. So you need to remember, you need to notice that where you are right now before changing anything for this heading. Select local always and make your changes. Another good thing about the Elementor V4, suppose I created classes for the background. So whenever I need to make the, you see that background dark, it will turn dark. Okay, you see that the background has been changed. Maybe there is a double background, that's why you can see the changes properly. If you apply background blue, the blue and dark is quite similar. This container has a background of white, so that's why it's only applied to the inner container. Anyway, you got the idea that this is the way how you can just apply a change very easily, just finding the class you have created once. That's it for Elementor V4. If you have any question while you are editing the website, if you get any question, any issue, then let me know. I'll answer that. Thank you.